Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will discuss to you guys on how to write a program that will convert the given number into its square root equivalent using C programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. Okay, so we have here sharp include stdio.h. std means standard. IO means input-output header file, a library file in C that which allows us for input-output. Now, C programming language is one of the most versatile programming language ever created by Dennis Ritchie way back in early 1970s. So it contains several library files that makes programming much easier. Sharp include math.h. It is a library file that which allows us to use this command function sqrt for square root. We don't need to recreate the code to compute the square root. What we'll do is to just call this function and then pass the parameter of a variable in its value. It will convert whatever value it is into its square root equivalent. So it makes our life as programmer much easier. Int main, it is the starting and ending point in every C program. So basically guys, when we run our program, our C compiler will search this function and then execute. And then we have here begin, double number square root, so has decimal places, number as a variable in square root. Number equals 9, we assign a value of 9. As we all know in mathematics, 9 has equivalent value of 3 in its square root equivalent. Square root we call a function sqrt and then a number, and then printf or print formatting square root of %2lf is %2lf, decimal places, number and square root, return 0. It will return to our operating system. In this case, it will terminate, no? And then write curly bracket to close the body of our main function. Okay, let us go to our browser compiler. Basically guys, I'm using online GDB. It is a free IDE which you can write programs and then compile it and run online. You don't need to install any software or compiler in your local machine, your laptop or desktop computer. Okay, let us click the run button. Okay, so square root of 9 is 3. So correct. Let's say we change it to 64. And then click the run button again. The square root of 64 is 8. Last example, 144. Click the run button here. The square root of 144 is 12. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on square root in C programming language. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by simply subscribe to my channel if you are new. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.